Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a mirror on a Ford Fusion. This repair is quite manageable and can be completed in about 45 minutes. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools ready. You'll need a new mirror, a trim removal tool, and a socket set with 7mm and 11mm sockets. A flathead and multi-bit screwdriver will also be useful for various fasteners. Before accessing the mirror, you must remove the interior door panel. Start by carefully prying off any trim pieces, such as around the window switch. Next, locate and remove any screws or bolts securing the door panel. There might be a 7mm bolt for the door control module. Once all fasteners are out, use your trim tool to gently pop the door panel clips free, then lift the panel off. With the door panel removed, you can now access the mirror's mounting points. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its clip and pulling it out. Next, use an 11mm socket to remove the 3 nuts that hold the mirror to the door frame. Once these are off, carefully remove the old mirror. Then, position your new mirror, ensuring the studs align, and hand tighten the 3 11mm nuts. After securing the new mirror, reconnect its electrical connector. Then, carefully reattach the door panel, aligning all clips and reinserting any screws or bolts you removed earlier. Don't over-tighten the mirror nuts, as they are often threaded into plastic. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new mirror's functions, including power adjustments, heating, and turn signals, to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.